Today we're unboxing my new walking pad for under my desk. Here's the pad itself. It's pretty narrow and pretty small, but that's really what I wanted because this will be used to walk at a really slow pace for long periods of time while I'm working at my desk. All right, the accessories it came with, we've got the power cord, some lubricating oil, a remote control, 2 little rubber pads, a hex tool, and a battery. Let's get it set up at my desk. Powered right on. We're off to a good start. Now let's try it. We can skip ahead to a speed of 2, speed of 4. Let's try it out for the first time. There is an incline feature. You just lift the treadmill up, open up the little leg, do the same thing to the other side. In case you're wondering, these items are for lubricating the belts. There's instructions on how to do that, but it doesn't seem like you have to do it very often. As for the unboxing and setting up of this walking pad, I gave it a 10 out of 10. It was light enough to remove from the packaging all by myself. I was also able to easily get it into place because it was not too heavy and it had wheels on it for easy movement. And as far as assembling and putting it together, all I had to do was plug it in and put the battery in this remote. Really doesn't get much easier than that. I wasn't sure how well it would fit in my space, but it fits great. It's narrow, it's not too long, it fits in my office area great. It's gonna be easy to put under my desk when I wanna walk and to move to the side when I need a break. I spend over 40 hours a week at my desk, so I'm really excited to have a way to get more steps in. No matter how much working out I do first thing in the morning, it's still hard to just sit still for the entire day. I've heard great things about having these walking pads in general, so I'm excited to see what it does for my energy to add on top of the morning workouts, being able to just walk slowly for long periods of time as I'm working. Thanks for joining me for the unboxing of this Sperax Walking Pad, and follow me along because in about a month, I'll do a month follow-up review on how often I actually use it and how I like it once it's in use.